Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to be installing this big daddy of a big bore exhaust that we got.
Fucking massive.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I think this is 4 inches here, and it's a 3-inch pipe.
Jeez.
So we got this off a guy in Auckland, fortunately. Every time I go to pick up a part from a FD, they always have some fucking horror stories. Like this guy, for instance, he drove his RX7 in the wet, wrote it off. The last guy that I picked up part from, his car caught fire. So yeah, makes me excited to get mine going. But
Keen.
Yeah, keen as. So that's what we're going to do first of all. We've also got some new spark plugs that we're going to chuck in the car. And then get started on some of our fuel lines. That's the plan. So I've already got my old muffler on the rear now. From what I remember, the bolts look pretty fucking tight, so I'm gonna soak it in this penetrating stuff for 5 minutes or so, and then hopefully it'll come off easy. I doubt it, to be honest.
The exhaust jobs are never easy.
Never. I don't know if you can see, but like it's so fucking rusted. I reckon we're gonna have such a mission. Such a pain getting this off.
Yeah.
I'm just fucking spraying it wherever I can. Alright. Let that soak for a little bit. But easier. It's just kind of like getting the right positioning.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's spinning on the end here now. Oh. There's rust falling onto my face. Fuck, it's in my mouth.
Get that iron.
So, the issue that we're having at the moment is, I'll try focus it. There we go. When you try loosen the bolt, the nut there is spinning as well, and we have an old ground wire that's just snapped off, and it's just getting in the way of like a socket or a spanner getting onto that nut. So we'll try figure it out. Maybe have to get out the angle grinder if if things go real bad.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Alright. So those spark plugs, eh? Giving up on that exhaust.
How long the spark plug's gonna take?
Oh fuck, surely just like a minute. What do you reckon?
Just like the exhaust?
Fuck off. So, picked up these the other day. I think they're just like the general cheap version. I think they're just the iridium plugs, but they're still fucking expensive for the RX7s. I think they're like $50 each for 4. Jesus. Give you a comparison. This is my old plug. That's the new one. So, bit of a difference there. So, each rotor gets 2 spark plugs. So there's one at the bottom, which is this one here. The one at the bottom is your leading one.
Yeah. Which
just means it strikes first. Pull one of these out. I'm just gonna slap it straight in. So make sure I've got on the right one. Easy as. Just gonna put them in loose for now. So that's our leading, and then these ones are our trailing plugs. And that one just goes on the top. Like first startup and shit, it just really ruins the plugs. So these are probably going to be replaced after 1,000 Ks, which breaks my heart a little bit because they're pretty fucking expensive. And then we'll do this one here. Alright, so it's the following day now. I've decided to completely pull out the whole exhaust. It wasn't too difficult, it was just held on by these hangers here. So we've taken one of the bolts off, but we've fucking managed to round this one here just because that where the ground wire is, it's just getting in the way. So you can't get a socket or anything completely flush on there. So I'm going to do what any man would do when they've got a fucking issue. Get out the fucking angle grinder. So I'm just gonna cut it off there and hopefully she slides off. So there we have it. Angle grinder worked like a charm. The gasket looks a bit fucked, so I might have to go buy a new one. Yeah, definitely time for a new one, and some new hardware, of course. Can't use that. Alright, now we can, once we get those things, we can slap that big bore on. Can't wait. As per usual, I've been pretty slack with filming. As you can see, the baddie's on the ground. It's been a long time since she's been on all four wheels. But finally got the big bore exhaust on. Looks pretty good. I think when the baddie's finally on the road, it's going to get green stickers straight away. I mean, look how fucking big that exhaust is. It's just ridiculous. Alright guys, so I'm going to conclude the video there. Thanks a lot for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more content.